Aditya Vadhavan is joining me live on the broadcast. Aditya, as far as this telephonic conversation between Dr. S. Jaishankar and his Danish counterpart is concerned for over the UNSC, what are you picking up in the latest that was in fact that constituted a larger chunk and related to the Pahalgam terror attack?
Well, as far as this call between Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar and his Danish counterpart are concerned, Denmark has shown full support for India, post this terror attack in Pahalgam. And, let us just put this into perspective that India and Denmark have enjoyed excellent diplomatic relations in the past. And, particularly we see all the European countries are standing in full support of India. Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar has had telephonic conversation with the foreign minister of other countries, including the many other European countries, where they have expressed full support for India, and they have condemned the Pakistani terrorism in all forms. So this will all these bilateral telephonic conversations of the foreign minister S. Jaishankar with his foreign counterparts will pave the way for the global isolation of Pakistan at a global level, because the world has now understood the sinister reality of this terrorist state Pakistan, because they have been Pakistan has been an exporter of terrorism to not just to India but to the entire globe. We have seen in the past that there have been many attacks in and around Europe also, where the Pakistani some of the Pakistani citizens who became the members of the ISIS were behind that. So at this juncture, all these telephonic conversations with the foreign ministers of different countries, be it of European country or North American countries, it is very significant, and the India is now conveying to the world that Pakistan is openly supports terrorism, and it has there are many terrorist groups active in Pakistan, like Lashkar-e-Taiba, Jaish-e-Mohammed, Jamaat-ud-Dawa, and many others. Yes, Simran.
All right, Aditya, thank you very much for sharing more details. Now, viewers, on that note, that was all the news of the nation and the world. We'll continue to track all the developments very closely. Stay with us.